Happy New Year's to all. And the three wise men are getting close. El Día de los Reyes. So we will be making today chocolate. I'm going to use abuelita, but you could use Ibarra abuelita so we could have a Rosca de Reyes. I'm pretty sure a lot of you know how to do chocolate, hot chocolate, but it's three simple ingredients that you might have at home, which is milk, some cinnamon sticks, and the tablets of the chocolate. We usually have it like on, when it's cold weather or for the holidays. But what we're going to do is use our half a gallon of milk. I'm not going to use a lot of milk because we're not going to do a lot. But you could do the whole gallon. You will use 2 tablets. Since I'm going to do half a gallon, I'm going to use only 1 tablet. We have our milk. We're going to go ahead and add our cinnamon sticks. And I'm going to let this come to like a brief boil just so the aroma of the cinnamon could, blend together with the milk. So once we start getting a little bit of bubbles, I'm going to go ahead and put the tablet of the chocolate. And we're going to go ahead and let that dissolve. And then once it starts dissolving, we'll be mixing it around. So once the chocolate dissolved, we're going to go ahead and stir. Make little bubbles. Make sure you dissolve everything. And if you need to add more chocolate to it because you have a sweet tooth, go ahead and add more chocolate to it. Or you could add a little bit of sugar, or you could add some of that piloncillo, which is that, what is it called? The sugar cones. We like it not too sweet, so this is perfect. And our hot chocolate is all done. So you won't spill anything. And look, all done. Now that our hot chocolate is done, go ahead and serve it in a mug so it could cool down. Hot chocolate is cooling down. We went ahead and went to Portals. For me, it's like the best bakery, but you could find your rosca in any favorite bakery that you have. And the rosca is like this. We wanted a small one, but they were out, so we had to get the big one. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and we have the little 3 baby Jesus right here, and you have to go ahead and insert them through underneath the bread. And let's go ahead and do that. We have them here, and I'm going to go ahead and put one through underneath here. Obviously, the person that inserts the baby Jesus into the rosca, into the bread, well, you flip it around and you won't even know where they're at. But when you have your gatherings, usually people gather, they cut it, and whoever gets the baby Jesus, they have to provide food or tamales for El Día de la Calendaria, which it's February 2nd. And I mean, that's another way, I guess, of people getting together. So once you hide them, in other words, you're going to hide your baby Jesus, and then everybody's go ahead, cuts a slice, and whoever gets the baby, well, you know what you have to do. Oh, wait, his foot's sticking out. Let's hide it. And make sure you have clean hands because then other people are going to be eating this. So I already flipped it around and many times. So when we cut it, nobody knows where the baby Jesus are hidden. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. I personally love the powdered sugar on here. A lot of people like the candy that they put on it. But we're going to go ahead and cut a piece. This bread is actually very yummy. There's some places that do it very dry. But Portals actually has a very good bread, pastries, everything they sell there's pretty good. And they are a Cuban bakery. But see how this bread is? It's very soft, not dry at all. Not dry at all. So we're going to go ahead, put it on our plate. This actually is a big piece, but believe me, all the candy and everything, you're going to love it. And then you're going to enjoy with your hot chocolate and your piece. And then whoever finds the baby, like I already mentioned, is going to have to pitch in, do a gathering, provide food, tamales. Is another way to celebrate. But it represents the 3 wise men, and that's a tradition that many people do. When I was little, let me tell you a quick story. When I was little, I would always listen. People say, oh, leave your shoes out the door because the Tres Reyes Magos, the 3 wise men, are going to come and they leave a gift there. So I told my parents, oh, can I leave my shoes outside the door? Guess what my mom said? They don't do that here. That's only in Mexico. They don't even come to United States. So I don't know if they actually do it in Mexico, leaving their shoe out the door for that day. But I guess it's just a fun tradition for the people to celebrate. Another way of celebrating something. But anyways, let's take a bite. It's very, very good, you guys. Chocolate is very hot. Very good. Perfect combination. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. To our new subscribers, thank you very much. To our current subscribers, thank you very much for your support and for sharing the video, that I've seen some of you share the video. And for keep on watching, you guys. And I hope you guys have an amazing 2019, you guys. And we'll see you soon. Bye.